Right, so anybody that knows MGs will recognise this panel from inside the boot. You've got one on one side of the car and one on the other side, just inside the rear wing, or just behind the rear wing. It's actually a triangular shaped support. Anyway, as you can see, it's pretty rusty, pretty tatty, and through it by hook or by crook, managed to make this. Now, slightly different shape, it doesn't conform quite, but of course the new wing that Clive's built is slightly different, so we've adapted it to fit, but essentially nice bit of metal there, so all ready to go. Got her?
Yep.
Oh, catching me out now, are you, Mr. Ford? I presume that thing picks up sound as well. I won't play to the camera. I notice you're being very quiet.
I was hoping to catch you breaking wind, that's what I was hoping to do.
If anybody watches these videos, actually the person holding the camera is the one who tends to break wind. That's better.
So, as the camera's on, in all seriousness, we both conclude that parcel shelf thing, whatever you like to call it, that part of the inner wing there, that plate we're making at the moment, has never been and cannot be directly connected to the outer wing.
That's correct. Yeah. Can you see it on the camera? If I pull this out, it would be that bit there, or down here.
Yeah.
You can see it with my fingers, but I put my fingers through it.
Weird.
We've yet to ascertain what that is.
Yeah.
It might probably come out in the wash.
Eventually. Not on yet.
Yeah, it will be in a second.
Well,
no, I know what you're like. 2 seconds flat, it'll be going again.
No, not really. Maybe it will. We've got to get some action, otherwise it's not worth doing it, is it? I don't know. on the edge of the roll.
Curve. On the curve, I think you need to push it my way a bit. Yeah, I think you're safer there.
Okay, let's nip down on it.
Which way do I go?
Half, one, half, two. That's a
that one.
That's a 19, isn't it? That one.
Yeah, it's bigger.
Down there, Kev, on the top.
Do you want it up very tight or
No,
just
nip it. So that, as long as it's nipped.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I've got to go towards me, haven't I?
Don't know.
Yeah,
Yep.
that's right.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Here we go. Just tell me if you want me to slow down or
I
slow.
will do. I will do. Fine. Keep going. Keep going.
It has. I felt it go.
Oh, that's gone. We've done to you something, mate.
Yeah. Slackened off anyway.
Yeah. Oh, it had it. Oh,
Yeah.
interesting. What's it like there?
Good. Excuse my French.
I'll have to edit that bit out.
Yeah. Nice. Jolly good.
You know.
It's a bit big, it's a bit wider. Because that should have been on top of that line, shouldn't it? So now we know in future we can cut that distance down a bit. You with me?
Yeah.
So the distance between there and there
Yeah.
could be less.
Are you pleased with yourself, Kev?
Hey?
Are you pleased with yourself? Well done.
Yeah, no, that's good. That's good.
Of course, as we're working on a C, we should really be talking French.
Hey?
Because we're working on a C, we should be talking French.
Why?
And they're pretending to be that company on YouTube, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you know, like they know what they're doing, you know, we don't.
Parlez-vous français?
Yeah, we know what we're doing.
Ouvre-le fenêtre. So, all right?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay. Just come across one problem.
What's that, mate?
Straight away. Well, I bent this out to get this angle on here. I need to bend it back. So that's the first thing.
PN.
PN.
What's PN?
I don't know.
Peter Morris made them.
No. Somebody's marked them there so they don't get nicked.
Oh, I see what you mean. Oh, yes, it was Peter Norris.
It was?
Yeah, that's from the magical box that I bought next to you. The box, you know, the
I know what you mean.
yeah.
Right, let's try
Just to
that.
explain, because in case it does go on the video, I paid from a friend of a friend 25 quid, I think it was, or 30 quid for this steel toolbox. Unknown tools inside, and it's been one of the best investments I've ever made.
Right. So you're still filming?
Yeah.
Well, you want to come around here then, Clive, really?
I do, hang on.
Okay. Ready? Ready to go?
Yeah, go.
So I've just tried it in here, and as you can see, it's with a tiny bit of fettling. This will come back. We'll probably have to bend that edge down a bit, because obviously this is nice and sturdy around here. The angles between these two are more or less correct. The radius on this is much better than it was. It was very, very tight. So I think with a tiny bit of fettling, that'll do the job. Don't need to be far out.